What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'm going to do a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of iQOO Neo 6. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.62-inch E4 AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. It has 120Hz refresh rate, 1200Hz instant touch sampling rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, and 1300 nits peak brightness. It also supports HDR10+. As for performance, it comes with Snapdragon 870 5G processor with Adreno 650 GPU. It has up to 12GB RAM and up to 256GB enhanced UFS 3.1 storage. It comes with 4D game vibration with X-axis linear motor, and it also has cascade cooling system with 5-layer 3D graphite cooling plates. Powering all this is 4700 mAh battery with 80 watts flash charger. As for audio, it comes with dual stereo speakers. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. AC is running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. The battery is at 51%. Let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 30 to 31 degrees. On the bottom it is 30 to 32 degrees. On the back it is 30 degrees. And on the bottom it is 31 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Call of Duty. Let's look at graphics. Very high graphics and max frame rate are the highest setting available. So I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. Visuals are great and colors are also pretty good. Details are great, controls are also pretty smooth, and while playing I couldn't notice any lag. Now this has dual stereo speakers and a punch hole design, so the display and audio both give immersive experience.
On standby. Target's in sight. Hitting mag. Target down. Reloading. Enemy contact. He's back up. Hitting mag. Target's in sight. Enemy contact. Tango down. Target's in sight. Need backup.
Now it's been 15 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 39 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 35 to 38 degrees, and on the bottom it is 36 degrees. Now phone feels slightly warm. It's been a total of almost 16 minutes and battery came down to 47%. So for approximately 15 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 4% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 43 to 44 degrees, on the bottom it is 38 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 40 to 42 degrees, and on the bottom it is 38 degrees. The phone feels slightly hot, but not that hot. I'll continue using the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 278 photos in those 3 minutes, and that is good. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of iQOO Neo 6. It has great performance, immersive audio and visuals, and gives a great overall experience. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below, and I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.